Hello, it's Monday the 16th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, the UK economy flatlined in January. The unexpected lack of growth came as the service sector struggled, and this was even before the Middle East war triggered a new global energy shock. So, how is our Chancellor, who's already a little out of her depth and performing pretty badly, how's she going to revitalise the economy squeezed by oil and gas prices? It's no wonder questions have resurfaced about her future in number 11. This will complicate things for the Bank of England too. The MPC is likely to keep interest rates at 3.75% when they meet later this week. Higher energy costs will reignite inflationary pressure, and that is no time to cut rates for growth, no matter what Trump may tell you about economic policy. Over in the US, Q4 data, annualised growth at just 0.7%. The revised figures show exports, consumer spending and business investment were all lower, halving the annualised figure of 1.4%, which was originally reported last month. The revision puts the US economy in a far weaker shape than previously thought. Naturally, this raises questions about the resilience of consumer spending, and Trump's tariffs have re-entered the chat as businesses are still facing higher import costs. And then he kicked off with Iran. The Fed had been expected to keep rates on hold this week, but their dual mandate has become more complicated, reacting to that fresh challenge, even without dear old Donald demanding rate cuts at every opportunity. There are even rumours that Walsh has signed an agreement to ensure that he will be instrumental in lowering interest rates for at least as long as Trump is still in the White House. Genuinely, you can't make this up. Meanwhile, in the market, the dollar index strengthened last week, continuing the multi-week upward trend for the dollar. We closed the week around 100.50 after safe haven trading pushed it through the 100 level as the war in Iran continued. As for sterling, that kicks off the new week fairly flat against the dollar, around 132.50, higher against the euro, around 115.90, and euro dollar is a little lower, that's around 114.35 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.